In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Node.js on Windows and set up Claude Code from the command prompt. By the end, you'll have Node.js installed, the Claude Code tool set up, and you'll know how to log in so you can start using it. First, open your browser and head to the official Node.js website. On the homepage, click Download. Choose the Windows Installer option. This is the standard installer for Windows and is the easiest way to get Node.js set up. Once the installer finishes downloading, run it and let it complete. Using the default options is fine for most users. Next, go to the official Claude website in your browser. Find the Claude Code section, then open the Advanced Installation page. Scroll down until you see the Standard Installation area. There, you'll see a command provided for installing Claude Code through Node's Package Manager. Highlight that command and copy it so it's ready to paste into your terminal in a moment. Now on Windows, open the Start menu and search for Command Prompt. Open it, then type node-v and press Enter. You should see a version number appear, which confirms Node.js is installed and your system recognizes it. With that confirmed, paste the command you copied from the Claude Code standard installation section into Command Prompt and press Enter. Give it a moment to finish. This installs the tool so you can run it from anywhere. After that, open File Explorer. Right-click in a convenient location to create a new folder, choose New Folder, and rename it to something meaningful for your project. Open the folder. In the address bar at the top of File Explorer, click once to highlight the path, type cmd, and press Enter. This opens a command prompt window already pointed at your new folder, which is a handy way to work inside a specific project directory. In that command prompt, type Claude and press Enter. If Windows asks for confirmation, choose Yes and continue. When the tool starts, type login and press Enter. This will open a login process so you can connect your account. Follow the prompts to complete sign-in. To fully use the service, you'll need an active subscription. Proceed to purchase one. If you haven't already, then return and finish the login. That's it. You've installed Node.js, set up Claude Code via the standard installation command, verified everything works, and started the login process, so you're ready to go.